So for this problem, we have a string like, for example, hello world. And the goal is to reverse each word individually, but keep the word order and spaces intact. So for this specific example, our output would be notice that the words themselves are reversed. The spaces and order stay the same. When you see this problem, you should think, how do we reverse a word? So first, we swap the first and last characters of the word, and then we move inward until the middle. Scan the string to find the start of the word. 2, find the end of the word. 3, reverse it. We're going to be doing this using 2 pointers. And 4, move to the next word and repeat. So the first thing we should do is convert the string to a list. Python strings are immutable, so we convert it to a list so that we're able to modify it in place. Once we convert it to a list, each character is now accessible and swappable. Let's implement it in code. So first, we are going to be returning our string to a list. So next we'll be setting I to 0 and n to the length of our list. We are going to do a while loop. So while I is smaller than n, if the value in our list, the value in the current index of our list equals an empty string, we are going to increment I and continue. So here I is our scanner. If we see a space, we skip it. Otherwise, we have found the start of the word. Next, we are going to find our word boundaries. So we're going to be setting left equals to I. And we're going to set a condition such that while I is less than n, and the current value in index I in our list does not equal an empty string. Then we are going to be incrementing 1 and setting right to I minus 1. So to recap, left points to the start of the word, and we move I forward until we hit a space or the end of the string. And right points to the last character of the word. So next, we are going to be reversing the word using 2 pointers. So while left is smaller than right, the value in index left and the value in index right is going to be equal to the value in index right and the value in index left. And every time we are going to increment left by 1 and decrement right by 1. So to recap, here we swap characters from the outside in, left moves forward and right moves backward, and when they meet, the word is reversed. So the last step is to convert the list back to a string and return it. So we do this with this method, dot join.